Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to buy USDT on Bybit. Right now we're on the homepage, and I understand that there are a few other ways on how to get USDT into your Bybit. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll be showing you one of the more straightforward ways to do this. And that's by going up to the top left, and you see Buy Crypto. Let's go straight to peer-to-peer trading. Now on this page, we'll even see the top picks for new users. And this is the trader right here. These are all the payment methods that we can use. For example, I will get from this guy. Now he only accepts quite the amount, but let me show you. Now here is where you put in how much you're willing to pay. And down below is how much you'll receive. You'll see everything here from their email and if they're verified sellers. Now, as you can see, there is a timer, and that is because the prices reflect in real time. So whatever price it is, you'll have to decide quickly. Now, I don't have balance right now, but once you click on buy, that is when you will be interacting with the trader. And then you can settle the transaction from there. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then maybe leave a like, subscribe, or ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.